Chapter number 9, Programming in Scratch. In the previous class, you have learnt about the different actions a sprite can perform on the Scratch stage. You have also learnt how to change the background, color, direction, costume, etc. of a sprite. In this lesson, you will learn how to perform various mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and apply conditions to get the solution to a problem. Sensing input and its execution. The sensing block palette has light blue color coded blocks which are used to sense the keyboard input while executing the script. The ask what's your name and wait block prompts the user to type input using the keyboard, and answer block stores the keyboard input. The question appears in a voice bubble on the screen. The program waits until the user types in its response by either pressing the enter key or clicking the check mark. Let us create a small block stack by using the sensing instructions and execute it. Delete the cat sprite from the stage. Click on the choose sprite from library button. The sprite library dialog box will open. Select the Kai sprite from the people group and click on OK. Choose the appropriate costume Kai B for the sprite. Now select the stage thumbnail on the bottom left and click on the choose backdrop from library button. Import the school 1 background on the stage. Create the script on Kai sprite by dragging and placing the three blocks as shown in figure 9.1. The ask where should I go and wait block enables the user to type input with the help of a keyboard. Drag and place the answer block on the text field of the say hello for 2 seconds block. Click on the green flag button. The message where should I go gets displayed on the stage along with a text box. See this text box. The answer to my friend's place will be shown in the voice bubble on the stage for the specified number of seconds. To my friend's place. Using mathematical operators in Scratch: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Blocks in the operators block category are round in shape. They are light green color coded blocks and are used to solve mathematical equations. These blocks can easily be placed in the value box of any other block. Let us perform calculations in a Scratch project. Open a new file in Scratch window. Delete the default cat sprite. Click on the choose sprite from library button. Select the category animals from the sprite library dialog box. Select the duck sprite from the options and click OK. Drag the when clicked block from the events block category under the scripts tab and place it in the script area. Pull the say hello for 2 seconds and say hello blocks from the looks block category and snap them together underneath the when clicked block. Click and drag the block plus block from the operators block category and snap it inside the say hello block. When clicked, say the answer of 1 plus 1 is equal to for 2 seconds. Say 1 plus 1 here. This block. Say 1 plus 1. The answer of 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Type the text and numbers inside the block as shown in figure. Click on any block to run the script and observe the sprite calculating the given numbers. Change the numbers and observe the sprite displaying change in the result. Similarly, you can use other blocks to perform subtraction, multiplication and division from the operators block category. Comparing values. The operator block palette also includes blocks to compare the numbers. In mathematics, you use less than, greater than and equal to sign to compare two numbers. Similarly, in Scratch, the less than block reports true if the first value is less than the second value. The equal to block reports true if the two numbers are equal and greater than. Block reports true if the first value is greater than the second value. These blocks are known as comparison blocks. Let us try the comparison blocks. Create a script by dragging the blocks as shown in figure and type the numbers inside the less than block. Click on the block to run the script. Likewise, we can use equal to block. Try the following scripts and check the result. Say 2 less than 3 for 2 seconds. Say answer. True. 2 is equal to 3 for 2 seconds. Answer. False. Generating random numbers. We can also generate a random number from a specified range by using the pick random 1 to 10 block from the operators block category. Let us see how the sprite itself chooses the random numbers with the help of this block. Place the blocks in the script area as shown in figure 9.5 and change the values. Click on the block and you will see the sprite speaking random numbers between 1 to 15. See. Say pick random 1 to 50 for 0.5 seconds. Changing location randomly. You can also use the pick random 1 to 10 block to specify any random location of a sprite on the stage. Delete the duck sprite and add starfish sprite on the stage. Adding pick random 1 to 10 block on the glide 1 seconds to x0 y0 block will randomly change the x and y coordinates of the sprite's position on the stage. Drag and place the blocks in the script area to create the scratch script as shown in figure and execute it to observe the sprite randomly changing its location. See this block. Bouncing the ball up and down. The bounce a ball all around the stage. You can use pick random 1 to 10 block along with other blocks. Create a new scratch project using beach ball sprite and the blocks as shown in figure. Counting length of a word. Scratch blocks provide the facility to count the letters that are used to form a word. For example, the word encyclopedia has 12 letters. Let us create a script to display the total number of letters as shown in figure. Open a new file in Scratch by clicking on the File, New. Select the stage thumbnail and choose the backdrop tab. Click on the choose backdrop from library icon in new backdrop section and add room 3 for the indoors category. Click OK. Select the scripts tab and drag the what's your name block from the sensing block palette and drop it on the script area. Type the text. Can you guess any long word? This one. In the text field of the block, drag the say hello for 2 seconds block from the looks block category in the script area. Pick the answer block from the sensing category and place it on the say block where the hello text is written. Again place the say hello for 2 seconds and think hum for 2 seconds. Block underneath the script, change the text hello to can you count the number of letters Now again place the say hello for 2 seconds block in the script area and add block from the operators block to the next text box or say block. Click on any block to run the script. Type the word encyclopedia in the input box that appears at the bottom of the stage area. Then click on the checkbox or press the enter key. Now observe the sprite displaying the length of the word as shown in figure. See here. Can you count the number of letters? 12. Sprite displaying the length of the word also. Making a variable. You might have observed that while crossing the different levels of a computer game, the score of the player either increases or decreases. It is displayed on the screen at the end of the game. To store these score values, variables are used. A variable is a placeholder in Scratch memory that is used to store a changing value. Variables can hold one value at a time. These values can be either numbers or strings. मतलब text. In Scratch, data block is used to create variables in a project. Variables are represented by blocks shaped like elongated circles uniquely labeled by the user. Let us observe the complete process of creating a variable. In the data block palette, click on make a variable block. The new variable box appear. Type any suitable name like name for the variable in the variable name text box as shown in figure 9.12. Select a button specifying whether the variable is for all sprites or for this sprite only. Click OK. The name block will be added under the variables block menu. Now drag the blocks as shown in figure 9.13 to create a script using the different blocks palette. Click on the green flag button to run the script. Type your name with the help of the keyboard in the answer box displayed on the stage and press the enter key. The sprite will display the answer in a voice bubble and it will be stored under the variable name on the top left corner of the stage as shown in figure. What's your name? Ruby. Variable stores here. When a word is saved in a variable, it is called a string variable. The block concatenates or joins the strings together and displays the result. For example, if hello and world are put in the block, it will display hello world. This is a rounded block and can easily be placed over the value box of any other block. For example, say join hello world for 2 seconds. Applying reasoning to make decisions. Everyone makes decisions in daily life. Some of our problems are so general that we hardly take any time to decide on them. But sometimes, when a problem is complex, we need to apply our wisdom and experience while taking decisions. Difficult situations require more reasoning and skills to solve problems. Let us understand this with the example simple mathematical equation. We can quickly solve simple equations like 20 plus 20 is equal to 40 and so on. When the mathematical equation is complex like this one, here we need to apply BODMAS rules to give correct solution. Let us take another situation. Suppose you have to select 2 hobbies in your school from the given list. Indoor activities days, outdoor activities days. There are certain conditions and rules to be followed by every student before making the selection of the hobbies from the given list of 8 hobbies. Rules to select the combination of hobbies are as follows. Each student has to select at least 2 hobbies. The selection of one hobby from each section is mandatory. The periods for two selected hobbies should not fall on the same day. Here, keeping the choice of the selection of hobbies, the student has to determine whether the two hobbies are a valid combination or not. Likewise, programming in a computer language includes logic and decision making. In logical thinking, we should first identify the main steps and then work out the detail of each step. Look at the shapes given here. The main steps in logical thinking are: task number 1. Read the problem carefully. Here, 3 shapes are given. What comes next in the sequence? Number 2. Identity. Goal: to find the fourth shape in the sequence. This is our goal. Information: the sequence of shapes is given in the sequence. The first shape has 3 sides, the second shape has 4 sides, and the third shape has 5 sides. Condition: in the sequence, the number of sides of the shapes is increasing by 1. Now, how to solve? To achieve the goal by using the given information and following the condition reasoning. The next shape should have one side more than the previous shape, which is 6 sides. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Solution: to work out the solution in step-by-step manner. This proves that with logical reasoning, any problem can be solved. In Scratch also, you can create projects with the help of blocks using logical reasoning. Applying condition in programming. A condition is applied to put a check in a problem. It allows the program to select an action based upon the user's input. Scratch provides various blocks enabled with conditional programming concepts. In Scratch, if, forever if, or if else are the conditional blocks present in the control block category. The script inside the forever if block will execute only if the condition given after if is true. All the elongated diamond shaped blocks which are in the sensing block palette are placed as conditions inside these blocks. You can use blocks from the sensing category for controlling the sprites in a better manner. Let us observe them in a project. Open a new file in Scratch. Import the background gold one from the sports category as shown in figure. Delete cat sprite and add saucer ball sprite from the things category on the stage. Reduce its size using the shrink button. Drag the when clicked block to the script area. Place the block beneath it. Add move 10 steps blocks from motion category. Change the value to 15. Place the if then conditional block beneath the move 15 steps block. Drag the touching mouse pointer block from the sensing block palette and place it over the value box in the block to check a condition and take decision. Select the edge option from the drop down menu of the touching mouse pointer block. The touching edge block lets you check whether the sprite is touching the edge of the stage or the mouse pointer. Drag the block from the motion category and place it beneath the block. Which block? If and then. Change the value from 15 to 5. Place the change color effect by 25. Looks category under the turn 5 degrees block. Place the if on edge bounce block from the motion category outside the if and then block. Click on the green flag button and observe the ball moving all around the stage. Now to observe the change in the condition, select the mouse pointer option from the drop down list of the touching block. Again click on the green flag button and run the script. Observe that the ball is moving and changing its color only if you place the mouse pointer on the ball. Click on the stop button to hold the execution.